Prism Medical is pleased to introduce the Freestand Track System. The patent-pending Freestand Track System may be used in institutional and home care environments and is an inexpensive, portable rental solution, providing lifting and transfer solutions where permanent ceiling track systems are not an option. The Freestand Track System stores in a convenient rolling duffel. Lightweight and portable, the Freestand Track System permits for quick setup by a single caregiver. The unit has 2 support legs, which take seconds to set up. Each support leg features a secure locking system, providing peace of mind and secure stability. The lightweight folding main beam features a secure locking system as well. One caregiver can easily install the main beam to the 2 support legs and lock the beam onto the support legs in seconds. The Freestand Track System allows the use of Prism Medical's Waverly Glen P or C Series lift motors. The unique feature of a ratcheting support leg marked with incremental elevations enables a single caregiver to easily move the main beam into numerous working heights in under a minute. Each end of the main beam features a parking spot for the trolley, preventing any movement of the trolley and lift motor while changing the working height. Each time the support leg is ratcheted upward, a locking collar prevents the possibility of the support leg moving. Once the ratcheting brings the main beam into a correct working height, the caregiver can easily attach a carry bar. Ask your Prism Medical representative about the Freestand Track System rental program today. Or for further information, visit our website or call 1-866-891-6502.